Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. On the heels of the release of their new collaborative album, Grammy-winning reggae artist Shaggy and rocker Sting recently performed at Queen Elizabeth's 92nd birthday celebration concert at London's Albert Hall. The concert saw leaders and dignitaries from 53 countries across the world who were in London for the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in attendance. The lineup also included Kylie Minogue, Shawn Mendes and Tom Jones as they celebrated the world's oldest and longest reigning monarch. The event was a break in tradition for the Queen, who usually spends her birthday privately with little public celebration. Sting and Shaggy performed their reggae-infused single Don't Make Me Wait, which appears on their album 44876. Queen Elizabeth has an official birthday in June, which is publicly marked with a large parade of soldiers through central London, known as Trooping the Colour. Meanwhile, Shaggy and Sting's newly released album 44876 made its debut last week on the iTunes Reggae album chart in the #1 position. The album was named after the respective international area codes for Britain and Jamaica and honors their intercontinental friendship. Downsound Entertainment and organizers of Reggae Sunfest hosted the first launch of Reggae Sunfest 2018 in New York City last week. The launch was aimed at maximizing awareness of the festival among influencers and millennials in the tri-state area in an effort to encourage them to arrive to Jamaica to enjoy the annual festival. The launch of the festival featured special guest appearances from Agent Sasco, Raging Fire and Tosh Alexander as they set the tone for what is expected to be the best staging for the event in its 26-year history. The Red Stripe Reggae Sunfest 2018 festival will run from July 15 to 22. Dancehall artists Spice, Agent Sasco, Popcorn and Grammy-winning reggae artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley, as well as Capleton and Jesse Royal, are just a few of those already confirmed for the festival. Dancehall entertainer Teflon is gearing up to release his new EP titled So Determined. The EP features tracks like No Time for Gears, Solid as a Rock and Jerusalem, in which Teflon reminds us of his lyrical ability while delivering the message to remain strong and focused even in the face of adversity. According to the artist, this EP So Determined is more than just listening to music, but it is somewhat of a reminder to never give up. It's not the answer, and it provides a feeling of upliftment for fans. The EP will be released on April 27. Teflon is known for songs like Harder, No Time to Giz, No Regrets, among others. The Tony Rebel-led foundation Rebel Salute has recently received a donation of $250,000 from Sagicor to assist with its upcoming projects. In February, the foundation copped the YourView Awards for its humanitarian efforts. The foundation is geared towards youth education and community development. The Rebel Salute Foundation has partnered with the Recycling Partners of Jamaica, introducing a recycling program for Rebel Salute in 2017. Officially registered in 2013, the foundation's work includes a high school scholarship program, joint community projects with the Area 2 Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, including an annual high school debating competition, just to name a few. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.